Steve, can you do me a favour? Can you just listen on the cans, watch the levels for me?
Why don't you get Pete to do it? He can do camera, he must be able to do sound.
Nah, mate, I've done enough hard work today.
That's good, Nat.
Yeah.
I'll do it for you, mate.
Sorry, guys, it's just way too echoey in here.
He asked me to listen to the audio for him, which is fine. It's just put on the headphones and listen to it as it's being recorded.
Not here, Tangles. What? Oh, take that. Thanks very much.
And then so Nat just went ahead and did it again, and that's when I heard it. Bell Atmos. Maybe ready now. What the fuck?
Did you hear that?
Yo, Tangles! 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 Pete, we need some light down here, mate. Tangles! Quick, light.
Shit.
Yeah.
Pete, where are you?
Coming down here, straight. Well, give us the camera, mate. He's gone, mate.
No.
Tangles!
Yeah.
What'd you hear in the headphones?
Tangles!
What'd you hear in your headphones?
Tangles!
Would he be dicking us around?
Tangles!
Tangles, come on, mate.
Steve, through here.
Tangles!
Tangles!
Yo, Tangles!
Here, I'll go down here.
Yeah.
You know, I knew there was something wrong. I knew he wasn't mucking around. My initial thought was just to get to him.
It wasn't unlike them, so I guess my first instinct was that they were having a joke.
What, Nat thought we were playing a prank, did she? You spoken to her? She thought we were fucking around.
Yep, ready to go.